Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Pocoyo is crying. Let's start drawing. First, I'm going to draw Pocoyo. I draw his eyes, his nose, then I draw his very sad mouth. Then I draw the shape of his head. He is wearing a hat and some tears under both eyes. Poor Pocoyo, what is happening with you? Now I draw his body. Excellent! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I'm going to color Pocoyo's skin with this cream marker. Now I'm going to color the tears with light blue. His outfit is blue, so I'm going to color his clothes with this blue marker. Yellow. Perfect. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.